DMZ Observation Post, South Korea. 2:30 p.m. the day North Korea tried kidnapping American General Lieutenant General David Morrison, three-star general, inspecting frontline positions. 180 Marine Security Detail. Routine visit standard protocol. Then 14 North Korean attack helicopters crossed border. MiG-8 transports armed commandos inside heading directly toward general's position. Rope ladders ready. Mission kidnap American general, take him to Pyongyang. Ransom, humiliation, propaganda. But North Korea made fatal miscalculations. 180 U.S. Marines don't let anyone take their general. Stinger missiles ready. M4 rifles loaded, defending at all costs. 27 minutes later. All 14 helicopters destroyed. General Morrison safe. North Korea humiliated. Kidnapping failed completely. This is Operation Guardian Shield. 48 hours earlier. Pyongyang Kim Jong-un emergency meeting. North Korean intelligence reported American three-star general visiting the DMZ. Lieutenant General Morrison, commanding General U.S. Forces Korea, inspecting frontline positions, small security detail. Vulnerable, target of opportunity. Kim authorized audacious operation, kidnap American general. Use 14 attack helicopters, 140 commandos, fast insertion, grab general, extract to North Korea, hold for ransom, demand prisoner exchanges, massive propaganda victory. Korean People's Army Air Force mobilized forces. 14 Mi-8 transport helicopters, 10 commandos per helicopter, 140 total, armed with AKs, RPGs, flashbangs, zip ties, kidnapping equipment. Mission briefing. Simple, cross DMZ. Land near American general, grab him, load helicopter, return North Korea, fast operation, overwhelming force, commandos trained rapidly. Helicopter insertion, fast roping, target identification, general's photo memorized, extraction procedures, everything compressed, mission launching immediately. Meanwhile, DMZ, demilitarized zones separating North and South Korea, most heavily fortified border on Earth. Lieutenant General Morrison arrived for scheduled inspection. Routine visit. Meeting frontline Marines, assessing defensive positions, standard leadership, Morrison Security Detail, 180 Marines, Marine Security Force Regiment, best training, combat veterans, M4 rifles, M249 saws, 8 Stinger missile teams, 16 missiles total, defensive weapons, protecting general at all costs. Captain James Rivera, Security Detail Commander, briefed Morrison. Sir, we maintain 360-degree security. Stinger teams positioned on high ground. Infantry perimeter established. North Korean activity monitored constantly. You're completely protected. Morrison. Excellent, Captain. Let's proceed with inspection. Keep alert. This is still hostile territory. Observation Post Charlie. Elevated position overlooking DMZ, perfect visibility. Morrison inspecting binoculars, scanning North Korean positions. 180 Marines surrounding him, professional security. At 2:15 p.m., North Korean helicopters departed airfield. 14 Mi-8s flying low. Nap of Earth approaching DMZ from multiple directions. Coordinated approach. 10 minutes to target. South Korean radar detected immediately. Alert transmitted. Multiple helicopters. North Korean approaching DMZ. 14 aircraft heading toward American positions. Captain Rivera received alert. General, North Korean helicopters inbound. 14 aircraft approaching our position. This could be attack. Morrison, battle stations, all Marines defensive positions, Stinger teams ready, protect this post. Move. 180 Marines grabbed weapons. Stinger teams activated missiles. Infantry took firing positions. Surrounding general creating defensive wall. Professional, fast, disciplined. 8 Stinger teams. 16 missiles positioned on high ground, tracking helicopters. Infrared locks acquiring, ready to engage, waiting orders. At 2:25 p.m., 14 helicopters appeared over ridgeline, 500 m away, descending rapidly, heading directly toward observation post. Aggressive approach, hostile intent obvious. Rivera, North Korean helicopters approaching 400 m. Identify yourselves or we engage. No response. Helicopters continuing approach. 300 meters, 200 meters. Doors opening, commandos visible, rope ladders deploying. Morrison, they're here for me, they want to kidnap me, don't let them land, engage all helicopters, fire. At 2:30 p.m. 180 Marines opened fire. North Korea's kidnapping attempt beginning. 27 minutes until total failure. 2:30 p.m. 14 North Korean helicopters descending. 100 meters altitude, attempting landing near general's position, rope ladders dropping, commandos preparing fast rope. 8 Stinger teams fired simultaneously. 16 missiles launching. Whoosh, whoosh. Whoosh, infrared seekers tracking helicopter engines, heat-seeking, impossible to evade at close range. 16 Stinger missiles struck 12 helicopters. Massive explosion.